All right, here we are. We are looking at a perpendicular access ramp. Here's our ramp right here. It's a perpendicular ramp. That means the ramp is here and the turning space is at the top of the ramp. Here is the turning space, and now we will be looking at the flares. The flares will be on the sides, so over there and over there. The flares, they go from the top of the ramp, which is here, or where the corner of that DWS is, the detectable warning surface, and they go to the top of the top back curb, right there. So there is our flare, and we have a tool joint right on the flare line. There are two types of flares. There's the F1 flare and the F2 flare. The F1 flare is for all the flares that are within the sidewalk or where a pedestrian may expect to walk. These flares, you can have a slope up to 10%. The F2 flares are flares where pedestrians are not expected to walk, and those slopes can go up to 25%. This is considered, could be part of the pedestrian access path, and so a pedestrian could walk here. So it is an F1 flare, and our slopes can go up to a 10%. So we will come and we'll take the measurement of our flare. So we put our smart level right next to the top back and curb, and we'll take that measurement. Here we have a measurement of 0.4 for this side, and we'll jump over to the other side. And we have a measurement of 5.9. Both of these values are under 10%, so we meet criteria, we pass.